Got it? You trying to lock me out? Good morning.
It very much feels like the first day of school. Buenos dias! You know, not just the new building, but kids coming in very excited. Teachers have just finished setting up their rooms for the third time.
Third time's the charm, you know? So we set it up the first time in August, then we set up in Holland for our displacement period, and now I set up the room again.
Let's spell that out together. Do you know what Went starts with?
And so I'm really, really, really thankful to be in this space and just have room and to make it a home.
This is my home. This is my second home.
Small.
Good, small. It was very devastating just to drive by and to see what the school looked like after the storm.
We only had about 1.5 feet of water in the building, but it sat for about 3 days before the building could be accessed, and so the water line was actually a lot higher. And so basically everything was redone except for our original terrazzo flooring, which is very durable. So, you know, the silver lining is kind of that we have basically a new building.
We have new projectors, new smart boards, new books, new everything is new. So we have new carpet, new everything, and so everybody's just so excited.
I'm really excited for consistency mainly, and I think that'll really improve a lot of people's spirits and a lot of hope within the students.
Happy New Year. Welcome to Robinson.
They've learned a lot about gratitude. We've just had such an outpouring of support from other schools in HISDs, other schools outside of our district, schools in other, states who learned about us through media. I think it really showed them, how much people can pull together in a time of need. I think it's just really strengthened our team, strengthened our community, and I'm excited to get back to business and see all the great things we're going to do this semester.
Sonidos y nos vamos.